10 ways you can use AI to improve your business. TechVick. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful technology that is transforming the business landscape. In this video, we will explore 10 ways businesses can leverage AI to improve their operations, optimize their processes, and grow their business. Improving customer experience. Improving customer experience is crucial for businesses to retain their customers and grow their business. This leads to increased customer engagement, improved brand loyalty, and higher satisfaction. Streamlining operations. Streamlining operations is crucial for businesses to remain competitive in today's fast-paced market. One way to achieve this is by using AI-powered tools to automate manual tasks and optimize workflows. Furthermore, AI-powered predictive maintenance tools can reduce downtime and maintenance costs by predicting equipment failures and scheduling maintenance proactively. Improving marketing strategies. Improving marketing strategies is essential for businesses to reach their target audience effectively and maximize their ROI. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by providing insights into customer behavior and preferences. Enhancing sales performance. Enhancing sales performance is critical for businesses to achieve their revenue targets and grow their bottom line. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by providing valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. By leveraging these tools, businesses can enhance their sales performance and achieve their revenue targets more effectively. Optimizing supply chain management. Optimizing supply chain management is crucial for businesses to reduce costs and improve efficiency. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by analyzing data from various sources, such as inventory levels, delivery times, and supplier performance. These tools can provide valuable insights into supply chain operations and identify areas for improvement. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, businesses can optimize their inventory management, reduce transportation costs, and improve supplier selection. Enhancing cybersecurity. Enhancing cybersecurity is crucial for businesses to protect their sensitive data and safeguard their operations. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by detecting and responding to cyber threats in real time. Improving financial management. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by providing real-time insights into financial data and automating financial processes. These tools can use machine learning algorithms to analyze financial data, such as cash flow and revenue, and identify areas for improvement. Enhancing HR management. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by automating manual HR tasks and providing insights into employee data. These tools can automate tasks such as resume screening, scheduling interviews, and onboarding, freeing up HR staff to focus on higher-level tasks. Additionally, AI-powered analytics can provide valuable insights into employee engagement, performance, and retention, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions to enhance their HR strategies. Improving productivity. Improving productivity is crucial for businesses to maximize their efficiency and achieve their operational goals. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by automating manual tasks and providing valuable insights into productivity data. These tools can use machine learning algorithms to analyze production data, such as employee workloads and task completion times, and identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies in workflows. Predicting future trends. Predicting future trends is crucial for businesses to stay ahead of the competition and make informed decisions. AI-powered tools can help businesses achieve this by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns or trends that may impact their industry. These tools can use machine learning algorithms to analyze various data sources, such as social media, customer reviews, and market trends, to provide predictive insights into future industry developments.